Welcome to our update video for ResourceSpace 10.2. This new release introduces several improvements and functionalities across the system, including calendar date entries, customizable sort directions, support for animated GIF previews, and more efficient management of metadata fields. In this video, I'll be going through these new features and how they work. Let's get started. We're continuing to improve usability across the system and have introduced calendars on date fields. This is a config option that, when set, will mean users don't need to type in the date manually. They can enter it easily, like this. This applies whether users are uploading resources or editing metadata on existing ones. This format only accepts complete dates. If you have partial dates on your system, where the day or month is missing, for example, these will need to be completed before switching to the new format, otherwise the incomplete date will be cleared. Users can now choose their preferred sort direction, ascending or descending, in search results. This is particularly useful for users keen to search by resource ID who'd like to see the most recently added resources first. To set this, you need to click into the Personal menu, then Preferences, and set your default sort direction to descending, like this. For museum users keen to search by accession number, ascending will be particularly useful for those searches. ResourceSpace now supports animated GIF previews. When browsing through search results, users can clearly see the file type of each resource here. To see the GIF in action, you can move your mouse over the preview like this, or you can click the thumbnail like this. If you have GIF files on your system already, you'll just need to recreate the previews for this change to take effect. Up until now, metadata fields could either be global and appear for all resource types, or they could be specific to one particular type of resource, for example photo or video, but not both. There's now functionality that allows metadata fields to apply to several resource types. This can be applied to new and existing metadata fields on the Metadata Fields Setup page via Admin, System, Metadata Fields, then click the name of the field and change the assigned resource types like this. Then click Save. To improve the layout on the resource view page when the workflow plugin is enabled or usage history is configured, we've introduced tabs here to simplify things. You can tab between the download sizes here, usage history, and workflow actions like this. Private collections have always been useful for relating groups of resources, but until now there was no easy way to unrelate them. In 10.2, we've introduced a new option to the Actions drop-down here that allows users to remove the link between resources in a collection. So I can add a group of related resources to a collection, like this, and unrelate them, like this. External upload shares are a useful feature in ResourceSpace that enable users to generate unique links with external contacts such as partners, clients, or collaborators who may not have direct access to the system. This allows them to upload resources directly into ResourceSpace, simplifying the resource contribution process and enhancing collaboration. These can now be configured so the recipient must agree to terms before starting their upload. These can be switched on via Admin, System, Configuration, and User Accounts. Then you just need to set the terms and conditions for external upload shares to Enable, like this. The terms themselves can be updated via site content. Via Admin, System, and Configuration, you'll now find a useful search field where you can add in terms to find a specific setting in the system. For example, if I type collections, I can see all the options configurable from this area relating to collections. Each resource now has a new Create New Related Resource button here. This allows users to easily do just that and create a new related resource from here, like this. Once the resource is created, you can add a file like this. More details about these developments and everything else included in ResourceSpace 10.2 are on our website. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.